Okay. Oh, that looks good right there. Now this is on my M2 drive. The system's already installed, but then, so I get the looks. Now, say the root password is root. The other password is demo. I can type root, ROOT, hit enter. That did nothing. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it did. What's it saying? Error adding paraphrase to kernel keyring. Nothing to read or input. The crypt setup failed. Bad password or options. Alright, let's try demo. D-E-M-O. See what that does. Hit enter. Error. Caching. Passphrase for Lux. Again, it failed. Bad password or options. So, I don't know. So this is the one that's already installed on my M2 drive. Then I'm probably going to have to wipe it out because I can't have a file system on there that does nothing.